Uh, talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you talk, you can't structure things. While I structure entries, exit scaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you been things. Liquidy sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I mock bad sentences, not people of things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Yeah. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back, keep it light things. Same way I roast bad entries and things. You click by and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, true, cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generation, no kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
What's going on, people? This is a bonus stream. Here we go. In 3, 2, and a 1, a bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we get our steps in and we look at the market. We are looking at the market right now, and we're going to see if it's going up or down right now. Oh, man. On the daily, this is a bonus stream, so tonight I will be doing my normal stream, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Thanks for everybody being here. I know it's kind of a short notice. I think I only gave like 10 minutes. But crypto bubbles on the daily. Pippin down 12.7%. Morpho up 4.9%. I mean, it's kind of up and down. So we'll kind of see what's going on. Let's go to the hourly time frame. Ooh, ouch. Everything down. Does this mean Bitcoin's going down? We're going to find out in just a moment. The fear and greed index was at 20, and it's still at 20. So down 3 points. liquidations heat map. We're going to refresh this. Look at the 24-hour time frame. We're also going to reduce the threshold to 0.5. 0.5. Thanks to Al. Told us about this. 0.5. Come on. There we go. 0.5. We also have this checkbox just so we can look a little bit more fancy. So we have the liquidations map. Gives us this information here. Wow. So we had a lot of liquidations here. We end up tapping. So whenever we go sideways, we create liquidations for the top side and the downside. Which way we go, nobody knows, but we can only go to the liquidations higher chance once we break the level to the downside to get this. Break the level to the upside to get this. This is why I trade level by level. Let's go to, there's not so much liquidations down here. 22 million, boring. Probably had that in your couch or your sofa or your love seat. What's 22 million? We have nice millions up here. 53.96 million sitting at 90. We have 24.26 million sitting around the same spot. 90,000. Let's go. Man, I should have put on some shorts. I got my sweats on and it's hot. It is really hot. 12-hour time frame. Let's see here. Have some liquidations to the top side. 19.5 million. Sitting at 88. Then just below that, 87.9, we have 18.84 million. Then we have this one creeping up. 19.78 million, sitting at 87.8. Then we have some nice liquidations down here. Now, how are these liquidations being built? As we mentioned earlier, when the price came down and started coming up, people start longing. Where are they gonna have the stop loss? Underneath the most recent pivot, which would be here. This is how we were taught. Because of that, everybody putting their stop losses right in this area, and the liquidation amount for hitting those stops increases. So just give you a heads up. Same thing, price starts coming down. People think, oh, it's gonna continue going down. Let's set our stop losses here. Or open orders here in case the price comes up to enter our trade to come down. So that's what that means. Let's go to the 3-day. Let's say hi to the chat. We got Mr. Steve Hickey. What's going on, man? Steve says, a bingo and a bango. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas. We got Spunky in the house. What's up, Spunky? Appreciate you, man, being here. I'm a lonely monkey. Good morning. Well, good morning to you. Good morning. Let's see here. We got Dusty Hunt in the house. What's going on, man? David in the house. What's going on? And Dusty Hunt says, longer than long. Let's go. Dusty said, just went all in with HELOC. Don't know what that is. What's HELOC? Is that the name of the crypto or is that the ticker? Nice. A healthy you sweet. Yes, yes, indeed. We're getting our steps in, guys. We're getting our steps in. So I know that there's a little bit of a robotic voice on this. I've been working on it. And man, before it was like really, really bad. But I really want to get my steps in. So I am being selfish because I know that the audio is not what it should be, but I'm still kind of working on it. Let's see here as far as the audio and the settings. Flash, not looking good. Hasn't been looking for a good while. Just boring, doing nothing. We didn't want it to break 0.01894, and it did. Bearishly retested a few times. Not looking good. Could it surprises and start just taking off? Sure. But right now, not looking good. If you have any questions, please let us know. If you have any charts you want to do, please let us know. Dusty Hunt says, home equity line of credit. Nice. So you did your home equity line of credit to get into crypto or to add or enter. Ooh, definitely not financial advice. Matter of fact, good Lord, it's hot. Matter of fact, I was talking to CCM, Crypto Coin Mindset, Keith, and I don't remember what stream it was on, but when I was on his stream, I told him, man, last season, people took out loans on their house, mortgages, credit card debt, everything, bought crypto, made out like a bandit, man. And I'm pretty sure they thought this season was going to be the same thing. I mean, heck, I thought it was. I thought we were going to be like crazy in gains and everything. Now, we've made gains, but nothing like we did last season. And I told Keith, I was like, man, I wonder how many people, you know, put mortgages on their house, got lines of credit, used credit cards, applied for credit cards. I was actually thinking about doing that at the beginning of this season. Like, yeah, I'm going to get, I don't like credit cards, but I'm going to get credit cards and I'm going to, you know, buy crypto. Man, am I glad I did it. Oh my gosh. I'd have to be paying, I don't know what the credit card interest is, 20%, 24, I don't even know. But I'm glad I didn't do it, because man, it would have been bad. Duality C in the house. Steve Hickey says, sound is good, Joe. Thank you, man. The audio is honestly not all that huge deal, my friend. Thank you, Shep. For me, it is. It's kind of like a painter. And, you know, I have a certain like brushes that I use, or certain paint that I use, like name brand. And then I have to use like a dollar store paintbrush and off market paint. I mean, you still see it, you can still whatever, but it's I know the quality, you know what I mean? But yeah, but thank you guys. See here, Spunky says, no, it all goes to zero. Zero? Don't say that. It could, but Bitcoin, 1 hour time frame. I made a video for my VIP group. Also, the video, I think it was like 2.5 minutes, or maybe 2 minutes. I don't even know. I love making videos for my VIP group. Now, if you're in the free portion of Telegram, sometimes I send out videos that I make for the VIP. Again, I'm not here to trick you to join the VIP. These videos that I put in the free section of the Telegram are sometimes, normally it's Bitcoin updates. Bitcoin runs the show. So if you know about Bitcoin, hopefully you can make some money and know which direction it might go. Then on Discord, because so far no one's, I mean, Jesse's boosted the server, but we need more boost. But because Jesse's the only one doing it right now, I'm limited to like 40-second videos, sometimes less, sometimes average. But once the Discord server gets boosted, for me, I'm not gonna put any money into it, because I'm giving y'all like stuff that could make y'all money, not financial advice. But once the Discord gets boosted, I can start putting those videos for the Discord. But if you want those videos, Telegram is free. That's what I do. Anyway, in that video this morning, price was here. I was saying it looks good. Bitcoin, even though price came down, I don't have to tell you this story. But again, because I'm not here to sell you anything, I tell you the stuff that I do in the VIP, and I also tell you thought process at the time. Price was here. I'm saying, guys, it looks good. You know, we had this bounce, break of this. Granted, we went up pretty strong. I did not want to see a continuation here. I wanted to come down lower. If you do a fib retracement from the bottom to the top, you'll see that we bounced to the 382. This was good. We came down. We came up, came down, went up, breaking this level. I'm like, all right, to me, it looks good. Looks nice and strong. I think today we're gonna have a good move. I mentioned that in the VIP. Then I also put that for the free portion of Discord. And then the video that I made for the VIP, I just forwarded to the free group on Telegram. And I said, but there's always plan A and plan B. If we come down and we break this level, it's still okay. What we don't want to do is break this level. And this is like the golden pocket-ish area. We don't want to break this level. And we're looking at this level right here too. Price might come down, maybe bounce around here, and then eventually lose the level. Now, if we come down really quick and regain our support, this is still good. What I was mentioning here is if we're in here for an extended period of time, we lose the momentum. It's kind of like hype. It's hype when, let's say you go into a store. Like, great example would be a Black Friday 10 years ago, 20 years ago, when you go into a store and you see everybody getting this, like a big old bin of whatever, and they're just getting it. And you don't even know what it is. What do? You instinctively grab one, maybe even two. You don't even know what it is, but you grab it because you see other people buying it, getting frantic over it, and it just, you want to do, because they must know something you don't. So that's what this is. When price comes down and it starts coming up, well, people are going to want to buy it because it's like, I don't know what's going on, but it might go up. However, same scenario, you go into that store and you see some people getting it and some people putting it back, and you kind of look at it, it's like, I don't know what it is. And some people are getting some people you see returning it, and you're like, and you're just standing there, you're just watching them. Some people getting, some people turning back. And now, guess what happens to that FOMO? Guess what happens to that urgency? Not even knowing what it is, kind of fades away. And you're like, well, I don't know, maybe I'll wait and see. I don't know if it's even a good buy. I don't know. That's what this is showing you. When we start going sideways, we don't break up. We just kind of go sideways and sideways. And now you look at that bin and you're like, do I really need that? I mean, it's $20. Nah, I don't need it. And now the FOMO has gone away. And that's what this shows right here, where now price comes down. Now, did I know price was going to dump? No, sure didn't. What the market makers are doing right here, Liquidation City, they're coming down and just getting this liquidity. People who had their stops right here, they got stopped out. Right here, stopped out as well. People who put their stops underneath this one, stopped out as well. People who put their stops underneath here, well, they haven't been stopped out yet. Doesn't mean that they will. No. Hey, we got Little Casper in the house. What's up, Little Casper? Bonus stream. Yeah. What's going on, man? Just to let you know, Little Casper, at the beginning of every stream, after we do the liquidations heat map, we go to your clash, just kind of, in case you need to fast forward to it. I know due to the time frame and everything. But Joe, you out of breath? Yeah, kind of out of breath. Man, it's hot today. I don't even know what degrees it is, but I'm so used to wearing sweats. I was doing some running around, stuff in the yard, everything. Come back inside. It's like, man, I gotta get my steps in. I said, oh, let me do this live stream. But look, up says bonus stream. We got Newbie Crypto saying, send Bitcoin at 90, Joe. I'm long like Donkey Kong. Let's go. So here's the good news. We can't look at this, man. I can't make this stuff up. Here's our zone. It tapped the zone, and right now, it really looks like it wants to bounce. Now, here's the thing though. Here's the thing. If we look at this extension leg all the way over, we can see that the price came down almost 100% of all this move. When I use the fib retracement tool, it shows me the likelihood of a potential continuation to the upside. If I use it from, I'll show you. Magnitude tool always on, from the low to the high. So as we're coming up, you know, if we have a higher time frame, it's easier to see, like say a 12-hour, you can see, you know, it just goes, went up, sideways, blah, blah. All right. But here I want to show you more of the ups and downs for my illustration. So if we pull back to the 3-2, it's good. We have a chance of the hype, the momentum continuing very strong. If we pull back to the 0.5, well, the hype is still there, and it's still good. You know, as long as we don't break below the 0.5, because we break below the 0.5, get a little worried. I really do. I get a little worried because if we break below the 618, now the whole momentum might be gone. And then if we do come up, I'm watching for this now. And it's always level by level, guys. Watching for this. Maybe we come up to here, to come down. Not good. This is what we could do. We could also go as high as here before potentially losing the level. So this is something that I'm looking for. Now, what I want to see is I want to see us regain the strength. And how do we do that? By breaking highs and continuing to break highs. So that's what we do. See here, rejecting the 786. Getting rejected right now. I mean, we don't know. The candle hasn't closed. We still got 35 minutes. But on the hourly time frame, you may be looking at a smaller time frame and showing rejection. But on the 1 hour, we still have 35 minutes. So it could do this and then come down. Now, what we don't want, and we talked about this multiple times, we don't want, oh, this was money flow. And I'm pretty sure I was spot on too. Joe, you don't even have money flow on your charts. I can see money flow. When price goes up, money flow is 98% of the time going up. When price goes down, money flow 98% of the time going down. It's not as complicated as most people make it. Now, if we break below this blue zone, really high chance we're gonna come down here to our red zone. Very high. Doesn't mean that we have to. It's just the probability is really, really high. Then if we break this red zone, 84.7, 84, if we break below this 84.7 or 84, to me it's over, because now we could potentially be coming all the way down. Now, granted, I don't want this, you know, coming down here, 55, 65, 45. I would like to see us go up, and we have this on. Let's go ahead and just hide these. We have this thought process. What's in here? This is what I want to happen. I want us to go up. And if we do, you know, first we have to break this level. Our first level that we have to break, 93.4 is our main level. Then after that, right around 99.5-ish, let's break this level. Come up to about 106. Then come down back to about 100. Then come up to a lower high. And then that's it. And we're done. We're cooked. No more extended bull market talk. No more all-time high, new all-time high coming up talk. because more than likely, and again, nobody knows until after the fact. Then after the fact, you have all these gurus that call the bottom and call the top constantly, not consistently, but constantly. They're gonna, I told you, join my group. Make me rich. This is what I want to happen. I want us to go up. But if we break below that blue zone, then that red zone, not good. This is what I think might happen, where we'll go up and then we'll come down, breaking those levels. But hopefully we bounce here, 78.4. And again, there's one thing I don't like about trading is like there's so many different variables. We don't know at this moment what's going to happen. And like, I don't want to sound like everybody else. Oh, it might go up, it might go down. The thing is, it needs to break levels in order for us to potentially start going up or continue going down, because we've been going down for a while. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto, what's up, man? What's going on? Let's see here. Shep says, what's supposed to be a question? Oh, well, put a question mark after it. Silly. Is it going to reject? I don't know. We need time. You know, not just one candle. We need a few candles. And on the 1 hour time frame. How am I supposed to know that was a question? That's like asking, you ain't got no chicken wings? What? You ain't got no chicken wings? Is that a question or a statement? Oh, do you have any chicken wings? Oh, now I know. You put that question mark at the end. So here, right now we are breaking through the 786. And again, this is why we need time. Now, if one candle, let's just say the candle closed underneath the 786 on the 1 hour. Does that mean, the price action is getting rejected off of 786, let's go short? No, you need multiple candles. Depending on the time frame, depends on the potential, less of a fake out. So let's say we're on the 5 minute time frame and it stops here and it stops and we start coming down and it tries to come up and it stops. It comes down, it meaning price action, coming up and it stops. And you're like, oh, I'm gonna short, and you short and then it goes to the moon. You're like, oh man, it was getting rejected over the 786. There was 4 candles. Yeah, but you're on the 5 minute time frame. If you're on the 1 hour time frame, that's not even one candle. So just to let you know. Just to let you know. Shep, I forgot English for a moment. You're funny. Yeah, but for me, price action was here. I'm thinking we might come up to maybe here, to maybe come down. And then what we do is we see when we come down, do we, after several candles, and this is why, like, you need patience with trading. You really do. And if we do come down and we break this level, now, pretty good chance we're gonna come in here, maybe bounce in here, come down, and then, now granted, there's a lot of traders that don't like to trade the way I trade, which is safer, because the gains are much less. Because here, I'm only looking at 1.73%. Versus if the price comes up here and it hints, like on the 3 minute time frame, that we're coming down, well, instead of making 1.73, they're making 3.5. Huge difference, especially with leverage. Huge difference. Now, the only problem is when I enter the trade, more than like, I have a higher chance that this will hit. Because if they enter here, well, guess what? It might be changing the momentum, and then it goes up, they get stopped out. Then it starts to roll over, they enter again, but then it goes up and they get stopped out. And then it starts to roll over again, they go short, it goes up, they get stopped out. And they get stopped out 5, 6 times, and then finally it comes down. And then sometimes they make back their money. And if it continues going down, well, guess what? They're a freaking genius. Regardless of the 7 previous calls to short, they're a freaking genius. And they make sure to post it on X. They make sure to talk about it on YouTube. They make sure to let you know how much of a genius they are. And you can be lucky enough to learn how to trade like them. You just got to join their group so they can show you how to trade like them. Yeah, no thanks. I'd rather show you how to trade, and when you make money, not financial advice, but when you make money and you want to join the group for the updates, then you join. Do you have to? No. Join me here on the live streams. Ask me questions. Ask me about charts. And ask me thought process. I share it all. I don't need to get rich off of you to... Now, granted, I would like to. Not gonna lie. I would like to eat ribeye steaks every day. I got some ribeyes I'm gonna cook today. But I would like to eat ribeye steaks every day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then after that, I get tired of that. I start eating lobster and shrimp and crab legs, calamari. And then we get tired of after that, tilapia, you know. But I'm not here to get rich off of you or to make money off of you. Now, granted, I do have a VIP, but that's if you want access to me and the updates. But you don't need it. And I tell people all the time, horrible business model, horrible. Joe, you're never gonna get rich that way. Maybe that's what it was meant to be, just for me to help traders. And then those that have money, if they want, they can join the group, and that way it helps support the channel. So yeah, let's look at the chart. No, let's look at the chat. See here, Al in the house. What's up, Al? We were talking about you earlier. Thank you for giving us the tips on the threshold. Doing our steps. And tonight we'll be doing our steps as well. Whenever I do a live stream, I like doing my steps. 2 birds, 1 stone. Let's see here. Merry Christmas. And did you join the 99? No, did he have a special? Did he want to buy 6 months of insurance for his new Lamborghini? Thanks to all his members. No, I didn't. No thanks. Blessings, and let's freaking go. Let's go. Smoking chicken fish. Let's go. Let's see here. Shep says, keep reading, LOL. I called myself out. Yeah, I know. That's why I said that, because I saw that. Chilling. Lasers. What's up, lasers? Hope you and everybody else here had a Merry Christmas. Hope everybody's health is good. And if it's not, I hope it improves. Be very grateful for what you have. Story time. I'm a registered nurse. New admission. Brand new amputee. So they cut off his leg. And I go in, I'm running late. As a nurse, you're always running late. But all the pain meds are out. I've given them out. So I go, and the dude is just down, and he's young too. He's like in his mid 30s, early 40s. I forgot how old he was. And he's just down and out, just depressed, bad. So I go in there, because I have to do my assessments and everything else. And I tell him, I said, they just call him Jones. I said, Mr. Jones, mind if I sit down? No, man, go ahead. So I go in, I'm running late. I'm running freaking late. I sit down. I said, Mr. Jones, not gonna sugarcoat it. What happened to you sucks. And he just kind of looks at me. Because nobody talks to him for real. Oh, you're gonna be okay, and this, blah, blah, blah. You know, you were lucky or whatever. I said, listen, man, what happened to you sucks. It really does. It really does. I can't pretend to know what you're feeling. I can't pretend to know the emotions or anything. I know depression, if it hasn't kicked in, it's going to. The main thing is, right now, especially right now, ask for help. And I tell them too, as a man, we don't like asking for help. We really don't. But consider this kind of like a vacation. Like, get your mindset, not, oh, look at my current situation. Change up that mindset. You know, consider this kind of like a vacation where people cater to you. So, like when you're going to go to the restroom, especially the first couple of days, you have therapy and everything else, but you're going to need to, like, you're going to have to think before you do stuff. And so after I spent like 10, 15 minutes with them, and I told them too, I said, yes, I get it. It sucks. You had, you know, your right leg amputated. I said, but be very grateful it was only one leg, because it could have been two. Not only that, be very grateful that you're able to verbalize, you're able to tell me what you want or how you're feeling, or that you don't want to be here. Like, you're able to tell me. I have people here that cannot talk. I have people here that cannot swallow. I have people here that we have to feed and monitor that they're not going to choke. I said, so even though your situation sucks, and it does, be grateful that it's only this. And when I was done after 10, 15 minutes, so like, thanks, Joe. I needed that. No problem, man. Let me know if you need any help, blah, blah. That's it. But that's what I do. Like, I am real. I am real with people. But yeah, I don't know how we got to that, or how we got to that. I see here, Sleeping Hollow says, was in green across the board. Took profits. Dude, so freaking good. That's the hardest part. Taking profits. Sleepy Hollow, you're a beast. That's the hardest part, taking profits. Because let's just say, simple math. Let's say you're up $10 or $100 or $1,000, whatever. Simple math, $10. Let's say you're up $10. I'm like, awesome, man, I'm up. You're up $12. Cool. And your target is for like $40 or $100, whatever it is. And you start noticing the market kind of changing or coming down. And like your gut feeling says, take some profit right now because your target might not hit. You're like, nah, I'm gonna wait. That's where the greed comes in. And then sure enough, you're at break even, then you're negative $2, $10, and whatever your stop loss was gets hit, because again, we don't know what's gonna happen. So good for you, man. Small bag of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Link, Tau, Aave. Good Lord, that's way too many coins. Have 70% dry powder. Smart. Super smart. Let's see here. Going down the list. Going down. What I should do. Can I do this? Let me see. Oh, I can. Let me put this over here. So that when I click on it, it'll show up on screen. Okay. Let's come up here. So I might skip some people. Not too sure. I gotta do it. It looks different. Okay. Okay, so we said that part, saw this part, so that's better. See that? See here. Laser says, Can't read all of it. Something and Bart's and Retraced. Probably move higher. Let's go. Hopefully. Bart Simpson. All we have done is Bart Simpson since November, yeah. And it's a lot of like the market makers giving us hope that, oh, we're coming up again, only to not break the high and come down like sharp. Oh, hey, we got, I can't see it. Did somebody become a favorite? Oh, snap. I didn't even see this. Holy smokes. It's fan funding. Alexandra G. The best mod queen ever. Wow. I didn't even see this. Thank you so much, Alexandra G. With a super sticker, $5. And she's like, Joe, did you not see my super sticker? And then bing, bing. Thank you. This really does help support the channel. It helps me continue to do this for free. Now, granted, I love showing my, my knowledge and everything for free. And I've always done that. Like, I want to get rich with you, not because of you. People who are in the VIP, it's because they want to be, not because I'm tricking them. They want to help support the channel. They want to help it grow, help with the advertising, help with just putting more good out there in the world than somebody just getting over on people. And then we have Dave Digital membership. Very nice. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you. Dave Digital and Alexander G are my favorite. They're my favorite. All right. So here, Spunky says, I'm laughing because it's true. I'm not sure what part is true. Whenever you say it, I don't know what you're referring to. Talk about a lot of stuff. Let's see here. JR says, yeah, join my Discord and send me USDT. Yeah. Yeah, so in reference to Discord, like, man, we need to have a discussion. Like, JR, when you do your thing on Discord, because I can tell you all the benefits of Telegram. Discord, you got to pay for it. Telegram is free. Anyway, I'll get off that because I'll talk about it for like 20 minutes. So here, David says, how many weeks straight have you been walking consistently? Shoot, man. Like when I moved over here, like I unpacked it like a week later, and then I started walking. So I want to say like 3 months, I guess. But I will say though, for me, it's not mainly about like losing weight or nothing like that. It's just moving, because I don't move. All I do is sit down. You know how, the song goes, all I do is win. All I do is sit down. That's it. I don't move. So for me, it's just about moving. But I will tell you though, that now that I started moving, weight loss has been a side effect. And I had to cut another notch in my belt a couple weeks ago, which felt really good. But hold on. But now, because I'm making money and I'm at the grocery store all the time, on break, I get like a honey bun. It's like, dang it, I know I shouldn't do this, but they're so good. So I've noticed that I'm eating more sweets now, which isn't good. But then there's sometimes where I'll go on break and I'll have one in my hand and it's like, no, I'll just get my water. So, but again, it's not about losing weight. It's just about being active or moving. It really is moving. But yeah, man, I've been doing it for quite a while now, like maybe 3 months or so. Yeah.
Alexander G. has donated $5.
Wowzers. We got another one. Good Lord, Alexander G. You're the best. No, Joe. I sent 2 of them intentionally. And you know what? Here's another one. You're the best. You're the best. Alexander G is my favorite. Let's see here. Lasers. Lasers. I love all those. Yes. Here. Good morning. Good morning. Al says the tips are always the best. Yes, I agree. See here, $89.99 for 24 minutes. Nice. Let's go. Let's join up. Let's join up. Okay, going down the list. Going down the list. Laser says, my health is fantastic. Good. Good for you. I wish everybody health, wealth, mental clarity, because without mental clarity, you could be rich. You could have, a healthy body, but if your brain's not right, and you're not right. So I wish everybody like all that and success. If you have a spouse or a girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever, I hope that, the communication, if it's not, I hope it gets better, and just success, everything. That's what I want. I'm gonna see fireworks soon. Let's go. My Discord is free, but I'll take the USDT if you're giving it out. There you go. Yeah, so JR killing it, absolutely killing it. Discord is free. And for me, I don't see anything wrong with people charging. That's one thing I don't see anything wrong with people charging. For me personally, the thing that I don't like is, now granted, I paid a lot of people. A lot of boot camps, a lot of memberships, a lot of mentors, so I could see what they know. So for me personally, I don't see anything wrong with people charging. It's just the pretense, the fake, or the empty dreams, empty promises. Join my group and like I'll show you all this, and then you watch their videos and you see how they're trading. It's like, I was kind of doing this already, or something similar. But yeah. So here, yes. Let's bless everyone. Yes, indeed. So here, JR says, I hate asking for help. And everything I get organically. Lasers last longer and feels way better. No, as far as men in general, like women, they don't even need to ask for help. Like we will literally offer. Men, well, real men, they initially just offer. And with this woman movement lately, I don't need no man. I can do it myself. All right, have at it. Then they're trying to hammer something. They bust their thumb or whatever. It's like, you need a man now? I don't need a man to change my tire. Okay, I'm just trying to help. I can do it myself. Okay. You might want to jack up the car before you try to take off the, try to change the tire. But of course not in that order, but you know what I mean. Anyway, I see here. But yeah, in reference to asking for help, us men, we don't like doing it. So when we do, it's serious. Because like us as men, we're like at our last gleam of hope. And it's tough being a man. It really is. Like all these women, especially the beautiful ones, or even slightly okay-ish, like they have it so lucky. Man, they got it so lucky. Because they're always being pursued. Always being pursued. For us men, like, man, we gotta make sure that we can feed ourselves. Not only that, but when we, get a female, we have to make sure we have to provide for them. So yeah, it's crazy. Go in the list. Oh my gosh. Let's see here. Go into the list. Go into this. See here, David says Telegram is too scammy for an old guy like me. And it's funny you say that, because Discord is the same thing. Discord is exactly the same thing. You have people impersonating people. You have people trying to be your friend or whatever to scam. It's the same thing. And to me, I think that's so funny that that's an argument or a debate or a point. Just like, well, I don't do it because there's so many scammers on Telegram. Oh yeah? Discord's the same. Discord has Discord has so many different things that I don't like. Anyway, let's see here. Going to this. I've been walking running for 4 years straight. Blink twice if anyone's chasing you. Blink. I don't see it. Okay. See here, my Discord is free, and I know too many people that got scammed and hacked on Telegram. Plus, I hate paper airplanes. Uh-oh. Yeah. The people who got scammed and hacked or whatever, it's the same, man. Like these arguments, they're not, or points, they're not even valid. They're everywhere. And they just happen to get scammed on one platform, then went to another. And when that the scammers try to do that again, well, guess what? They have their guard up. So regardless, they could have been on Discord, got scammed, went to Telegram, and now they don't trust Discord. And whenever they get that on Telegram, they're like, nope, because they have their guard up. So these points, they make zero winning points. We'll put it like that. More jogging than anything else. Nice. Very nice. Thank you, Alexander G. You're the best. You the best. And thank you again for the other super sticker. See here. And it's like YouTube and Discord. And it's like YouTube and Discord cover everything I need. I love not to be for others, but hard pass. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Let's see here. Banging out the tips. Let's go. Much love. Appreciate you. Jap, you're my favorite. See here. See here. Yeah, moving is the key to weight loss. Another easy hack is no liquid calories. I know. That's one of the things that my ex-boss, he was really into fitness, and we go work out together. And he would tell me, he goes, the worst thing you do, Joe, is drink your calories. I was like, what does that mean? Like, whenever you drink anything, like soda, calories. Diet sodas, calories. Just anything you drink, beer, because I used to drink a lot of beer at that time, calories. I was like, oh, okay. So I was more aware of drinking my calories. So yeah, even now, like even with my flavored water, I'll put half the pack in one and half the pack in the other, because I think it has like 5 calories. I know it's nothing, but still, I'll do like half and half. But zero sugar orange soda and also zero sugar chocolate are secret weapons. Oh, cool. Yeah, but then the zero sugar, like that other stuff messes with your liver or pancreas or something, probably your liver. But I don't drink too much of that stuff. Like today, I went to Wendy's. I was driving around. I said, man, I haven't had a Frosty in forever. They used to be $1. Now they're $7. I was like, man, I haven't had a Frosty in forever. So I go, and they have all these different flavors now. And so I got the caramel something. It was okay. It was supposed to be like $6, but the person on the register couldn't find the thing, so they charged me like $4. I'm not gonna complain. And the first time I tried and everything, and it was okay, but it was like, if you like salty and caramel, like a salty caramel, like really salty, not just like regular salty, but really salty, then that's for you. For me, I didn't like it too much. Your secret is safe with me. See here. I don't know if I like yogurt. I don't remember. Yogurt. Oh no, wait, I think I do. I think my ex used to make that for me. Like some yogurt with granola. I think it was just like granola, like that high fiber granola boxes like this. It cost like $7 at the time, I guess, and like it's horrible. But you put that in some yogurt, and it's a parfait. I think that's what you call them. Those that I did eat. She would make those for me. So here, I like Joe's Discord. It's lit. Oh yeah, I have a Discord too. I complain mainly on it. I complain mainly on my Discord. I don't like this because I can't give y'all the stuff that I want to give y'all. On my Telegram, I put it out there. 2.5 minute video, boom. 5 minute video, boom. Thought process, updates, Bitcoin, boom. And then for the free Telegram, all I gotta do is forward it and they get it for free. Then I go to Discord, I try to put that same video, you need to pay $20 a month. I was like, man, I ain't gonna pay you nothing. But the thing that I do like about Discord, if there are a few people they get who have like Nitro, they have like two free boosts that they can give. So anybody who is paying the $20 a month to have Nitro, they can donate or boost somebody else's server. So if that happens, Jesse's been doing it, but we need more people doing it. I think just one more person or two. But if that happens, then I could put my 2-minute videos, thought process, like this video, in there. We got Crypto Change Me. What's up, buddy? Very happy you're here. Very happy you're here. Crypto Change Me is another great YouTuber, great trader. Absolute love, thought process. If we have admins in here, if we can put his channel in the chat. If you're not subscribed to Crypto Change Me, definitely subscribe. He's a good one. So here, man, I need some fans in here. So here, yeah, I got Discord. I don't like it. I complain mainly on it. So here's the thing. I love doing audio clips and I love doing videos because it's thought process. I'm really big into thought process. And on Discord, the only way I can record my voice is with my phone. I don't like using my phone. I just want to be on the computer. So if I want to record a voice message on Discord, I have to use my phone. Why? Don't like it. So in addition to the limitations on the video size, I also have another negative thing, which would be the audio. On Telegram, guess what I can do? I can do audio. I can do video. I can do everything. But yeah, I don't like Discord. And for those of you who do, shame on you, because you have no idea what Telegram can do. Anyway, so here, yeah, please get a link to the Discord. Kind sir. It's in, if y'all can put the link in, if not, I can do it. But yeah, it's on the, it's in the description. It's for my LinkedIn, no, not LinkedIn, Linktree for the Discord, but I'll put it in here if just if an admin does it. See here. They just says, it may be tough being a man, but I prefer being a man than being a woman. Yeah. So if you're, dude, like being an attractive woman, man, they have the pick of the litter. They can pick who they want, when they want, everything. If you're not an attractive woman, we'll just say slightly attractive, you still have plenty of options. Like you can still like get with somebody and have them support you. Now, if you're a not attractive woman or whatever, it's kind of like how we feel as men, to where like you got to try really hard. So yeah. And so here, Jared says, yeah, it's scammy everywhere, but Discord has more functions, in my opinion. Anyway, I don't know. Not that smart. Don't listen to me. Yeah. And there's a way to, you know, on Telegram to not be added to things and make sure to hide your phone number and all this other stuff. And I actually have a video on how it's just through your settings. But yeah. So here, you don't like it. Okay, got it. Yeah, I'll remind you many more times. Many more. Because there's so many things I want to do and I want to provide, but I can't. Yeah. It's 12 o'clock here. Dark and cloudy. Not liking. But chart is sunny. Let's go. But chat is sunny. Let's go. This is, of course, scammers. Let's see here. And that's on Twitch. I'm streaming on Twitch as well. See here. What's the link for the Discord? Yeah, I tried tagging lasers, but oh yeah, that's the other thing too. Tagging. And there's so many things I hate about Discord. Like if somebody tags me on Telegram, I can see it. On Discord, I'm not gonna get into it. It's kind of frustrating with all the people who love Discord, but they have no idea what Telegram can do. Is literally saying, you know, my girlfriend is super hot, man, she is a killer, and she's a 2. She's a freaking 2. You haven't seen the 8 that we have. Then you see the 8 Telegram, and you're like, oh, maybe my girl's not that hot. But you don't know, because this is all you know. Hey, you know, my girl, she's freaking hot. Okay, man, that's cool. Yeah. So here, like you said, we ain't friends. Wait, what? What you talking about? So here. See, David says, I hate to put it this way, but those other things will kill you a lot slower than being severely overweight. Those are my words. Those are the words of Joe Rogan and some of his gym bros on X. Those other things like drinking calories. I'm not sure what those other things mean. See, calories is not the issue. It's empty calories. Oh, I know that. That's what causes weight gain. Combination of staying, doing nothing, and becoming lethargic. Metabolism slows down, and all you eat counts. So yeah, that's so true. Because like for me, like I wasn't eating like a lot or buffets, or it was just I'd eat once a day. Not because I was fasting or anything. It's just I wasn't hungry. I'd eat once a day, and it wasn't like a huge meal or nothing. But because I wasn't doing anything, I wasn't using the energy, the calories, I wasn't hungry. But I was gaining weight, easy 10, 20 pounds a year for a few years. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Let's see here. 80, 50 pounds. So an average of about 10 pounds a year. Maybe a little bit more. And you know, I knew it wasn't my eating, but I wasn't really eating that much. I just wasn't moving. So now I'm moving. So here, going down the list. Going down the list. Jesse in the house. Greek yogurt with granola for the win. Yeah, like I said, my ex used to make that for me. It was so good, so delicious. I don't know why I don't eat it. Here we go. Here's the free Discord. Thank you, Alexander G. You're the best. Here, it's all give Joe boost on Discord. Bigger videos, yeah. So I think I just need. So Jesse does 2 boosts. I think I just need like 2 more boosts. Like I don't need everybody boosting it. I just need to get to that next level so I can put out videos in more than 40 seconds. So what y'all could do is kind of coordinate it with yourselves to see, okay, I'm gonna do a boost. Oh, I'm gonna do a boost. I got 2, I can do 2 boosts because I'm not sure how many boosts we need. I think it's like 5, maybe 4, I don't know. So here, we're good, trying to add JR. David says, I always try to put extra fruit in my yogurt. Yeah, for me, I love fruit. I love grapes. I was eating grapes like crazy, and grapes really help with the digestive system. Really, I don't know about, but for me, it did. And the grapes were like $1.35 a pound, and I was getting between like 4 and 5 bags a week. I eat at least like half a bag to a bag a day. So good. Then they went up to $2.35 a pound, and now I was only getting like 4 bags per week. Then they went to $3.25 a pound, bought 1 in that week. Now they're $4.25 a pound. I was like, nope, not buying that. Too much. See here. Yummy, yum, yum. See here. Uh-oh. Someone got blocked. See here. Hey, we got Crypto Coin Mindset in the house. What's up, buddy? What's your day? Friday, I think. Okay. I was like, oh crap. I thought for some reason today like Monday or Wednesday. And I was like, oh man, we could have done a stream together. See here. I can't believe I caught you live. Yeah, man, had a great holiday. I actually went to my ex-neighbor's place. He's a good friend, and we talked and everything. And I went over there, ate some ribeye steak, barbecued on the grill rather. And oh my gosh, so good. I got some more ribeye steaks. I'm gonna cook some for lunch. Right now I'm trying to work up an appetite so I can eat some ribeye steak. And we had ribeye steak, we had sausage link, we had asparagus, salad, no baked potato. He's a real healthy dude. And I said, man, we don't need a baked potato. I said, this salad is great. So spent a few hours over there, catching up, talking, good stuff. Crypto Change Me, here's the channel. Yeah, Crypto Change Me is really great. Thank you, Alexander G. See here. Merry Christmas to everybody. Oh my gosh. You guys are crazy. See, going down the list. Take Digital. Steve, you my favorite. You my favorite. And I appreciate everybody putting up with the crappy audio. Like I know the audio's not the best. I've been working on it. Laser says all women are beautiful. I wouldn't say all of them. Most of them are. Most of them are. And even the healthier ones, being politically correct. Me, I'm fat. I'm not healthy, I'm fat. But if a female has this shape, well, they're healthy. What? How did that happen? Anyway, what was I gonna say about women, beautiful women? I don't know. Let's see here. No man is beautiful. No, I wouldn't say beautiful, but there are some really good looking guys. Like, and it's funny too. Like when I see somebody like that, and I was like, dang, that guy, he's racking up them notches like big time. You know, got that strong jawline, maybe the little shadow beard or whatever, good physique. You know, the women are just flocking to him. And for me, it's zero hate. It's like, dang, dude, you got lucky. Like, God blessed you big time. So yeah. Let's see here. Going down the list. Okay. I've tried Telegram 8 to 10 times on occasions. Hey, there you go. A 2 is hotter than a man. Just saying, yeah. For the most part. Yeah, and it's funny too. Like for us men, we can be ugly. We can. But if we have money, status, power, authority, women, they will come to that. And if you have, it's funny too. So my ex's son, dude was big. He's like 6'3", maybe like 340 pounds, no muscle, just big dude. And he was like 17 at the time, big old beard, everything, 17. One day he knocked on my door, and this was when I wasn't with his mom anymore. He knocked on my door, I opened it, he's a white guy. I opened it, I look at him, I said, "We don't buy furniture from the Amish." And I slammed the door. And I opened the door again, I said, "Hey, what's up, man?" He goes, "Hey, Joe, can we talk?" Yeah, so we started talking. So then I broke it down for him. I said, "Listen, man," like, because we're talking about girls or whatever. I said, "Listen," I said, "you need to have money, power, authority, and humor. Like chicks love humor, but you need to have at least a combination of some of these things in order to get a female, a nice looking female." I said, and his mom was very, very beautiful, very beautiful. I said, "Look at me." I said, "I'm a fat dude." I said, "But I'll tell you what though, I'm funny, make a lot of money, and make a lot of money. I don't have a lot of expenses, and confidence. I have a lot of confidence." I said, "And look, I got with your mom." I said, "Now for you," he ugly. I said, "For you, you don't have that cuteness factor. We'll just put it that way. So what you need to do is concentrate on making money. Concentrate on moving up the ladder. Doesn't matter what you do. You could be picking up trash. Like, it doesn't matter. Whatever you do, be the best at it and work your way up." And the females, they're attracted to that. Leadership, all that fun stuff. I was like, "Oh, okay, thanks, Joe." But I told him, I said, "Yeah, man, you need to have something. If you ain't got that cuteness." Yeah. See here, trade tuition is long, 3x, 30x. Yes, that I am. See here. Or maybe you think Telegram's a 10, but it's not. I can show you. Hands down, I can show you. I might even do a video. I know who would watch it. It's like, this is why Discord sucks. And have everybody all mad. Maybe, I don't know. See here. David says, now that we have AI, all my girlfriends are hot. Hey, there you go. Who was it? I think it was Tom Crown. Tom Crown replied to somebody. I didn't know that it goes on my feed. I really don't pay attention. But if you reply to somebody else's, it shows them on the feed. Anyway, Tom Crown replied to a female, and she's a good looking female, young. And she, doing her little dumb lips and the picture thing. And she's like, "Will AI replace me?" And Tom Crown said, "Yep." And that's what's happening too. And all these females now, these females are gonna have to start getting jobs or looking for a rich boyfriend because AI is replacing them. So yeah. So here, going down the list. When people ask me about imitation sweeteners, yeah, true. That's very true. See, I bought you a month Nitro on Discord. Oh, thank you, man. Right now? Because I know you've been gifting memberships. Well, no. See, I think when you did that, it offered it to me, but I didn't take it because it wants me to put my credit card in so I get the free month, but then I got to pay for it. So that sucks, man. I don't know if you can get your money back. If not, I can send you money for that. I appreciate the offer, but that was like a month ago, right? Because Discord sent me a message saying that you gifted me a month, but in order for me to accept it, I have to put in my credit card. I don't want to do that. Or debit card, whatever. But let me know if you cannot get your money back. I'll send you the money for that. And that's because you went out of your way to do something nice. And if they can't refund you, I'll refund you. Let's see here. Yeah, Jesse's a legend. A lesson. He's a lesson. He's a legend. Okay, going down the list. Yeah. Yeah, very true. Very true. See here. Yep, very true. Hey, we got Hindi. Go. What's up, buddy? What's going on? Appreciate you being here. You're moving with Bitcoin, so don't start losing weight. Now Bitcoin will be dropping. Let's go. Let's see. By the way, I still smoke cigarettes, so I'm not judging. Yeah, I still smoke. I tell you what though, I'm smoking a lot less. Because when I was at my place, it was my place. I smoked a lot. Inside, outside, didn't even matter. But when I got, man, people are evil, really evil. I was buying the property. I had all my paperwork intact, had all my receipts, the whole nine. I got evicted. And in an eviction court, I told the judge, like, hey, I don't even know why I'm here. I have all my paperwork. I have all my documentations, my check stubs, everything. And it's like, well, this is eviction court. This is not debating if you should be here. This is, you are here. Like, what do you want to do? Do you want to be there for 3 days or, 2 days or 2 weeks before you get kicked out? Or 3 weeks? I was like, this isn't fair, man. Like, I paid. I'm up to date. I have all my receipts. He goes, well, you should have handled that before. Now it's eviction. And so again, 2 days or 3 weeks. I was like, this is not lawful. Like, how are y'all doing this to me? He goes, fine, I'll answer for you. 3 weeks, next case. So, yeah, that's what happened to me. So when I moved over here, I don't smoke in the house because it's not my house. And now that I work, I don't smoke, in work. I'll smoke on my lunch break, and then I'll come home and I'll smoke. So let's just say if I was smoking 10 cigarettes a day, which I wasn't, I was smoking way more than that. Now it's down to like 1, maybe 2. So it's cut down a whole bunch, which is good. See here, Jared says, you can drop private YouTube videos and post the link in Discord. I think, yeah, you can. And that's what I have to do. But look at all that extra work when I record the video. And I've done that before. I record the video for my VIP members, post it to the free Telegram group, then upload it to YouTube, then put a quick little title, doesn't even matter. Don't do the thumbnail, then wait like 4 or 5 minutes for it to upload, then get the link, then you tell the people on Discord, here's the link. All that is too much, especially if it's for free. Now, it'd be different if people were paying me, $50 a month or $100 a month. Then sure, yeah, man, I'd be doing that in a heartbeat. But not if it's free, Here. Yep, sugar bad. I think I'm just dumb and nobody blocks me. Let's see here. Going down the list. Sugar was much, yeah. So there was a time when I was doing, man, I love you guys. We're just talking right now. There was a time when I was doing pest control. So I'll be driving like a lot. and I would stop, get a Route 44, a big old cup of soda, and I'd be drinking that. I drink like maybe 2, maybe 3 a day, and work 8, maybe 10 hours, and just driving around, drinking that, eating. It wasn't too bad, but it was all that soda. And then one day, I just decided to stop drinking soda, and I just started drinking water. And it wasn't trying to lose weight, none of that. I just stopped drinking soda. And man, within that first week, like I think I might have lost like 3, maybe 5 pounds. And then the following week, it dropped quick too. Like in that month, I think I dropped like 10, maybe 15 pounds. Not doing anything, not working out, not walking, nothing. Just stopped drinking soda. And then, so now I'm feeling good. So now I'm not eating donuts and drop another 20 pounds. Man, I dropped a lot of weight like quick. People thought that, I was, working out or exercise. I just stopped getting all that sugar. But yeah. And I mean, now as far as like sodas go, I'll buy a soda maybe like once a week, like a 2 liter. It'll last me a few days, sometimes one. Sometimes I'll drink like a Lipton tea, which I know has a lot of sugar, but yep. See here, very nice. See here, I think a 16 pair of Skull Candy earbuds from Walmart fixes audio problems. So how would that, for me or for somebody listening? I mean, because I have wireless headphones. But I don't know how that would help if you're talking about me. For me, it's the settings, the filters for this. Let's see here. Jason Casper, Giga Chad. Yeah, Jason Casper, like that dude lives the dream, man. He's got his farm, got land, got animals, got living off the land, being resourceful, making money, from YouTube, trades, the whole 9. Plus, I think he has paid stuff too. Jason Casper, that's the one that has White Phoenix, right? Yeah. Thank you, my friend. See here. Yeah. And it's funny too. Like back in the day, like we would go play outside. Now you gotta like literally throw them outside. Kids, referring to kids. See here. Never shoot for a 10. Rather have a 2 to 5. Yeah, 2 5s. Yeah. And it's so true. I see all these comedians about this, and it's so true. The hotter they are, the crazier they are. And it's true. Like, dating a 6 is good. 7, dating an 8, not sure if you can see it. That'll happen. They'll bite you. You're crazy. Bite your tongue off. Yeah. She was an 8, in my opinion, and crazy. But you have to realize that the more beautiful you are, female, the more attention they're going to get, the more partners they're going to have, the more relationships, the more trauma, the more whether it's abuse, physical, mental, whatever. Like, I made a lot of money, but the main thing was the funny and confident, because chicks are not going to want to be around somebody who's not confident. You go into a room, you don't want to have your boyfriend or husband walking in there with his eyes down and just kind of like looking to, not making eye contact. Nah. Like whenever I enter a room, shoulders back, chest up, boom. right there, right in your eyes. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? But yeah, humor, confidence, and money's a plus. Sometimes money is the main driver for some, but in my opinion, humor, confidence, and then for some, it's just like appreciating them, because they may be pretty, but like they're being taken advantage of all the time. So it just depends on the person. But for the majority, humor, confidence, money. So yeah. So here, Laser says, I have my cuteness ego lifted. I just had 4 ladies in the car sing to me at a stoplight. I never thought that was cute. Just handsome. Let me read that again. I have my cuteness ego lifted. Lifted, okay. 4 ladies in a car singing to me at a stoplight. Never thought I was that cute. Just handsome. Hey, there you go. Shoot, man. And see, for us, like that memory will be with Lasers for the rest of his life. And that's a great memory to have, because us as guys, we don't get compliments. We always compliment females, you know. The prettier you are, the more compliments you get, the more doors you get open, the more, you know, would you like a whatever drink or whatever. For men, you know, if somebody says, hey man, you look good today, especially if it's a female, you know, hey, you look good today, or you smell really nice. You're like, oh, chugs, you know, you get like that, like, 'cause that doesn't happen. But yeah, you show me, you can go live on there. Yeah, on Telegram. Yeah, you can go live. You can go live on Telegram. Here, Laser says Tom can get girls. Yeah, Tom's a good looking dude. He's skinny, got a good build, confident, speaks well, you know, got that nice jawline, good looking dude. And what does he say that he was when he was younger? He used to post a lot. I don't know if he still posts it, but like on a certain day, I forget what it was. A certain day of the week, he would post something with him and like a girl. The next time it'd be like another girl. And see here, if you can go live on it, I consider it being true-ish. Yeah, you can go live on Telegram. See here, Dave, don't be eyeing my AI chick. Oh no, fight. Uh-oh. That's funny. Let's see here. Going down the list. That'd be cool. I'll DM you. Thank you. Here. Very nice. Yes. I go with Smokey, so I'm judging so hard right now. Nobody likes a quitter. JR, nobody likes a quitter. That's funny. I see here. Vaping is worse than smoking. Who was it? AJ? I think that's what his name is. His lung collapsed, graveyard shift. And I tell you, I'm gonna go smoke a cigarette. And it was 5 minutes. I come back in. I say, you know what? I just figured out why people say smoking a cigarette takes away 5 minutes of your life. So she's looking at me like, what are you even talking about? I said, you know how they say, for every cigarette you smoke, it takes away 5 minutes of your life. She's like, yeah. I said, I just timed it. I smoked a cigarette. It was 5 minutes. I wasn't being productive. It took away 5 minutes. Now, what if I'm productive? Does it still take away 5 minutes of my life? She's like, Joe, you're dumb. I said, no, wait a minute. Think about it. I just need to be productive. When I have a cigarette break, I need to be doing something. Joe, you're dumb. See here. Good people in the chat. Yes. Yes, you guys are awesome. You haven't drank soda in over 12 years. When did you get out of the coma? 12 years? Good Lord, you're in a coma for 12 years? Decided after high school, yeah. Yeah, soda, man. I mean, it's good, I like it. But I used to drink it a lot. No, I don't. Like it says, now I'm 38, man, you youngin'. You a youngin'. I remember being young and thinking 42 was old, 45 was old. Now, 45, not so old. You know. But yeah. So here, I boosted one time now. I'll be able to in about 3 days. Very nice. Juice, water, beer, and milk. There you go. Holy smokes. What just happened? Jesse, man, I can't see. Maybe if I do this. See. Oh, I think Jesse became a member. Oh, I did the wrong one. See. Oh, there it is. 5 months now. 5 months. Thank you, my friend. And this really does help support the channel by a lot. Okay. Here. Come on. See here. Oh, did I freeze up? Okay, going on the list. I don't know. Filter. Okay. Going down. Oh, it's back now. Okay, cool. Here. D, not you in the house. Another like smashed. I appreciate you, man. Right now we're just kind of talking it down. We have been doing our steps now at a 1.4 speed. 1.4 speed and 91 minutes, 92 minutes. We've been doing this for 92 minutes. We've gone 2.14 miles. Let's go. And then tonight, I'll stream again, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. This one's just a bonus. A bonus stream. Happy Festivus. And see here. Real story, yeah. Straightforward. Compliments are rare for all guys. We don't get flowers. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we don't get compliments. We don't get... So, like, for us as men, all we want in a relationship, well, what we really want in a relationship is edification. What does that mean? Build us up. Don't tear us down. You know, when we're in front of, you know, the female's friends or family or whatever, serve us. Like, oh, you said serve. Oh, you're a male chauvinist. No. Like, show that you care. You know, that's all you have to do. I've talked about that many times. That's all you have to do. Anyway, so here. Oh, so it's the same. So that's okay. I still like Discord. That's fine. I'm not trying to convince you. Those who like drinking lemon water. No, that's a bad example. Those that like drinking water from the water hose, it's still water. They'll give you a heads up. Hopefully you know what that means. The water from the water hose doesn't taste as good as the filtered water. Give you a heads up. Here, frozen. Am I still frozen? So that's the stream. It's going. I still show that I'm streaming. Okay, we're back. All right, good. Really old stream is going. Buffering. 7 minutes. Watching Lifer takes away 5 years off my life. Yeah, so true. Here. Very nice. Had to break up all the handles. That's funny. Steve Hickey says, I had to break all the handles off my cups. No more cups and handles. That's funny. You guys are funny. I tried so many people. They make crazy. Let's see here. Yeah. So what I like to do is, and you gotta be genuine too. Just, you know, you see somebody, guy, girl, whatever. Let's say a guy's wearing some nice shoes or whatever. Say, hey man, those are nice shoes. Oh, cool, thanks. Hey man, or a female. Females gotta be careful because, oh, here's that creep. Now, if you're cute, which I'm obviously not, but if you're cute, they're like, oh, hee 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 hee. But if you're not cute and you compliment them, they're like, oh, that was a weirdo. And like, all right, fine, whatever. Like, you're trying to boost your self-esteem, girl. You don't need to try to tear down mine. One, you can't, but you try. See here. My girlfriend always says, you talk to everyone. Why you open the door for her? Huh? Why did she say thank you? Huh? Why are you looking at her? Yeah, that's funny. So friendliness isn't the key. Being open to possibility is the key. There you go. True that. But stranger danger. Stranger danger. Yeah. It's so funny too. It's so funny. Let's see here. Anything else, guys? We've gone 2.24 miles. We've traveled a lot today. We really have. I love you guys. I really do. For me, as y'all know, you are my family. You are my family. I talked to my cousin, and real good guy. I talk to him more than I talk to my brother. My brother, I'll talk to maybe once or twice a year, if that much, or that many times. My cousin, maybe once, twice a month. So yeah. D9U says, true. If you're not a good looking man, say no compliment to no modern woman. You'll be judged as a total creep. Yeah. 100%. 100%. And it's so funny too. Like some of these women, their ego is so hyper inflated. It's ridiculous. And it was funny. This was some time ago. Thank you, Steve. It's story time. This was funny. Some time ago, I was at my local watering hole right after work, and there was this really attractive woman. She had to be like an 8, with her not so attractive friend, maybe a 3. I was gonna try to go a little higher, maybe a 3. So I go, and I always buy people drinks. Whether it's a guy right next to me or a girl right next to me, you know, I buy my drink. Hey man, you want something? You want a shot or something? I always do that. I used to anyway. So I go and I get my drinks and my shots, and then I say, hey ladies, y'all want a shot? And the pretty one, she kind of looks at me. She's like, and then the ugly one, or not attractive one, she's like, no, thank you. We're fine. We don't need nothing from. It's like, whoa, calm down. I'm not trying to talk to y'all. I'm going to buy you a drink and then I'm going to leave. I'll be outside if y'all want to talk. If not, I'm not even trying to talk. And I think I ended up buying them shots. I said, you know what? Just give them shots. And then I go and I go with my buddies. My buddies are like, ooh, Joe, you got shut down, man. I said, dude, I'm not even trying to do anything. I do what I always do. I buy people drinks and I go and I do my thing. I play darts, I go outside, whatever. And they're trying to like kind of make fun of me. It's like, I'm not even trying to talk to anybody. I don't think I was married at the time. So I go and I go outside, and you know, I'm out there smoking, drinking, whatever. And sure enough, those 2 girls, they come to me and they, can we sit down? It's like, sure, there's seats right there. You gotta go ahead. So I'm doing my thing. And so they said like, what do you do? I was like, oh, I'm a neurosurgeon for NASA. So right there, one, neurosurgeon, I make bank. Granted, I'm not a neurosurgeon. I'm a registered nurse. Then working for NASA is even more bank. And so they asked me, so what do you do? Calm Cool Collective. I said, oh, I'm a neurosurgeon for NASA. And they look at each other like, no, you're not. I said, keep on drinking, ladies. Ask me the same question in about 30 minutes. You'll believe me then. And I'll walk off. I go to my next set of friends or whoever. But yeah, that's funny. Let's see here. D9U says, and if you are a good looking man, never make the first move. These women are cray cray. Yeah. You're better off focusing on your goals. 100%. 100%. Like, because women, it's in their nature. For us as men, our nature is to be providers. That's our nature. Women's nature, they're opportunistic beings. They see an opportunity to better their life or to be provided for. They don't care if you're fat. Granted, they prefer not for you to be fat, but if you are fat, but you can provide for them and their kids and her kids or whatever, they're gonna be, I'm okay with it because they are opportunistic. So yeah, that's very true. See here. Also, if women make the first move and she is very, very interested in you, you better run. If you don't know why, it's better that you never find out. Yep. Very true. Very true. Yeah. If she's interested in you, you better ask how much. Because, things, people can be waiting for you. But yeah. It's very dangerous out there. See here. Good things come with time. Keep your eyes. Yeah. And that's what a lot of these men, and that's why I love Andrew Tate. Because that's what he pretty much preaches, really. Focus on you. Focus on, your physical being and your mental being and your financial being. Do all this stuff and they will come. They will. But if you're out there chasing them, guess what they're going to do? They will leave you. Why? They're opportunistic for the next person who can provide more. Give you that. It's not the size of the fanny pack. That's right. Yep. Let's see here. Steve says, you will need to hide your Rolex in the light blue Lambo. Yes. Yes. That's funny. Very true. Very true. And then, of course, if you do roll around flashing, you got money. See, and that was my biggest problem. And that's always been my biggest problem. Is I've always done that. I've had a female and her car started having problems. I fixed it. No, I didn't fix it, but I paid somebody to fix it. And, with all my relationships, something happened, boom. And I tell my brother's like, dude, you lead with money, man. Like, that's your problem. Like, with your females and everything, like, you lead with money. I was like, well, that's what I do. That's what I like doing. He goes, no, you can't be doing that. Huh? I've always done that, though. Let's see here. All right, guys. Yes, thank you very much. Yeah, and we have done 2.41 miles. We have also had a speed of 1.4 on the stepper. We're about to get off the stream. We have gone 104 minutes. 104 minutes. I love it. I lost my Lambo. Yeah, same. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. I do thank you very much. This was my thought process on Bitcoin. Let's see if it plays out. Right now, not looking good. I mean, if we do break above the 0.5, then we might have a chance. But it's very iffy right now. But I do thank you guys very much. Not sure if anybody's streaming right now. Is anybody streaming? Oh, let's see here. Go over to this. Go to this. Go to this. I think that's so funny. That's me on the treadmill. Get my steps in. Let's go. Let's freaking go. See here. Oh, we have Meet Damien, Sin City, Jason. Oh, Tom Crown. Y'all want to go with Tom Crown and put Trade Intuition Raid? Let's see if he gives me a shout out. Let's go to Tom Crown. Do Trade Intuition Raid. I would really love to see that. Trade Intuition Raid, Tom Crown. Tom's my buddy. He used to give me shout outs before, but I haven't really been going to his stream just because time constraints. So let's go to Tom Crown. Trade Intuition, not T.I. Joe, not Trader Joe. He does not know me by any of those names. He only knows me by Trade Intuition. Thank you so much. We will see you on the next video. Now, I gotta turn off my camera so I can turn off the treadmill. Thank you guys so much. Trade Intuition Raid, Tom Crown. I do thank you very much. We're going to Tom Crown right now. Whatever you do, just remember, no matter what time it is, it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to trade for free. Let's go. And let's make this money. Take care, guys. Turn that off. And now turn off the machine. 106 minutes. Let's go. 2.47 miles. I like it. All right, off button. Okay, there we go. Trade Intuition Raid. Trade Intuition Raid. Remember, no TI or TI Joe. Trade Intuition Raid. Thank you so much. See you soon. Take care.